Political leaders across party lines condemning last night's horrific attack, with the RSS also joining in and responding to the Anantnag attack. In fact, we have the reaction of senior RSS leader, the Sangh ideologue M.G. Vaidya, who has said that it's Pakistan who is behind the latest attack and that the government is doing everything to find a lasting, permanent solution to this menace. After yesterday's attack on the Amarnath Yatras, a high alert has also been sounded in various parts of western Uttar Pradesh, and the national capital security is being beefed for the month-long Kavod Yatra that began yesterday, in which nearly 3.5 crore people are expected to participate. This is a mega religious journey that's undertaken by people from all walks of life in India. And following the attack, Uttar Pradesh police, in fact, have now raised the alert level, with the Chief Minister himself personally supervising the security arrangements. Here's India Today's Ilma Hassan with this report.
Following the attack on the pilgrims going for the Amarnath Yatra, an alert has been sounded across all major cities in India. While the Amarnath Yatra is still going on, there's another Yatra taking place, the Kavod Yatra in Uttar Pradesh, where thousands and thousands of pilgrims walk all the way to Haridwar. To make sure that no untowardly incident happens, the ADG of Law and Order and Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath, have made sure that there's ample security and police personnel deployed. They've also made sure that all the possible spots where these Kavod Yatris stop have more personal security deployed in those places to make sure everyone remains safe. This comes after an alert which was issued preceding the Yatra, saying that a possible attack could be carried out around Uttar Pradesh, either by someone who pretends to be a part of the pilgrimage or by a big vehicle like a bus or a truck who comes to attack the pilgrims as well. Not just for the Kavod Yatra, but in Delhi as well, the Delhi police has taken cognizance of the attack and are making sure that there's high security deployed in areas like airports, metro stations and bus stops. More police security are expected to be around the Delhi streets as well to make sure no untowardly incident takes place. With camera person Pratap, this is Ilma Hassan for India Today.
Okay, so massive security arrangements in place for the Kavod Yatra as well. With that, we're heading into a short break. Stay tuned. I'll be back with lots more news and updates on this big attack that took place in Anantnag last night.